Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to try and understand how to use the intraday stock trends page. So let's get started. Cursor, you need to go to the analyst zone, which is the last section on the left hand side, and choose intraday stock trends. And here we have been welcomed to this page. So, what the whole idea of the page is, it is designed to give the user a perspective on how various stocks and the market as a whole is moving at a given point in time. So, if you scroll down, you find the names of various stocks, and you can see that these stocks are divided into 30-minute windows, and there are various arrows which are made to denote how the stock has been moving in that 30-minute window. So if the stock has been moving up, you will see green arrows. If this, like here, if the stock is moving down, you will see red arrows. If the stock has done nothing in the trend period, you will see black sideways arrows. So to just sort of give you a definition, a double green arrow like you were seeing here, like these, this double green arrow here, it represents a strong uptrend. When you see a single green arrow like the one here I have drawn, it represents a mild uptrend. If you see a black arrow, it denotes that the stock has been non-trended during that point in time. If you see a double red arrow, it is indicative of a strong downtrend. And if you see a single red arrow like here, it actually indicates a mild downtrend. Like over here, you can see 9:45, 10:15, 10:45, 11:15. These are all various 30-minute intervals, and it denotes, these arrows here show how these stocks have performed in these various 30-minute intervals. So for example, the first stock ACC, between 9:15 to 9:45, it was in a strong uptrend. Between 9:45 and 10:15, it sort of gave up most of these gains. As you can see, there are two red arrows which signify a strong downtrend. Then between 10:15 to 10:45, it did nothing. It languished sideways. At say 11:15, half an hour later, it started falling again. And at then for the next 30 minutes, again, it didn't do anything. At 12:15, you saw some bit of recovery coming into the stock. Again, the stock sort of started to move sideways by 12:45. And similarly, you have 1:15, 1:45, 2:15. You can do this for the whole universe. That is all F and O stocks of the index, and that are listed in the future space. All those are available here. And when we go up, what we see here is a summary window. On one end you have bullish, on the other end you have bearish. So so what happens here is, this page accumulates all the stocks that show some tendency to either be in the bullish direction, like these list of stocks, or in the bearish direction, like these list of stocks over here on the bearish sides. And it is classified them into red and green, so that immediately when you have a glance at the screen, you know exactly what stocks are moving up because they are in the green, and what stocks are moving down in the red. And moving on, we've also done further filtration where um, you can see here that there is a plus sign and a minus sign. What this really means is that the number of stocks in this summary window have been classified into mild bullish, strong bullish, mild bearish, strong bearish. So over, you can see this black line here. Let me just, yes. So if you can see this black line over here, it is selecting strong bullish, which is denoted by two positive signs. So these are the stocks that are showing a tendency of being strong bullish. So basically, all the stocks that are having double arrows during this point in time appear here. All the stocks that are showing double red arrows during this point of time are appearing here. So you know that these are the most the uptrended and these are the most downtrend stocks. You want to see mildly bullish stocks, you go here and you change this to a single plus, and similarly you can go to the bearish end and change this to a single minus. You will get an idea as to all stocks that are in having single red and all stocks that are having single green arrow. So this is the whole idea of doing this page. At the same time, you can choose 100 or 50, 30, 20, whatever you are comfortable with. At the same time, if you want to search for any specific stock, you can go to the search bar out here and write the name of, say, I like Jubilant Food. So I write Jubilant Food. It gave me a clear view of how Jubilant Food is moved across the day. And as the day is progressing, I know which direction the stock of my choice is taking. So this was the intraday stock trends page. We have also shared a detailed document on our website where you can read about this in more detail